Hi there, I'm Joshua here from Webbers Estate Agents of Bideford, and behind me you'll find the Holly design. This is on Estuary View, the great development here in Appledore from the well-known Baker Estates. Now on this estate we do have a range of 2 to 4 bedroom, semis, terrace, detached properties that is going to be perfect for any buyer out there. But enough of the site, let's take a look inside the Holly. So once inside the Holly design here on the Estuary View development, you can find myself in the open plan modern kitchen diner featuring Carndine Woodafleck flooring, but also lovely worktops, integrated dishwasher. You do have the electric hob and fitted fridge freezer and double oven as well here, following with the double doors opening up and into the lounge, just creating a lovely entertainment hub of this home. So to finish up, I'm here outside of the Holly design on Estuary View. Now this outside rear garden is enclosed throughout, but also does have the levelled lawn, patio and double doors leading from the lounge and the dining room. Now this is going to be perfect for all to enjoy, and why don't you give us a call on 01237 472 344 and come take a look yourself.